Introduction to Java. Java is a widely used, high-level programming language that was created by Sun Microsystems in 1995. It's designed to be a platform-independent language, meaning that programs written in Java can run on any device that has a Java Virtual Machine, JVM. This write once, run anywhere capability is one of the key reasons why Java remains so popular. Object-oriented programming, OOP. Java is fundamentally an object-oriented programming, OOP, language. In OOP, everything is treated as an object that belongs to a class. A class defines the structure and behavior, properties and methods that its objects will have. Objects are instances of classes. For example, if you have a car class, each individual car you create in your program will be an object of the car class. Key concepts of OOP in Java. Encapsulation. This is the practice of bundling data, variables, and methods that operate on the data into a single unit or class. It also involves restricting access to certain components to protect the integrity of the object. Inheritance. In Java, one class can inherit the properties and methods of another. This allows for code reuse and the creation of a hierarchy of classes. For example, if you have a vehicle class, a car class can inherit from vehicle, meaning car will automatically have the properties of a vehicle. Polymorphism. This allows one interface to be used for a general class of actions. The specific action is determined by the exact nature of the situation. For instance, the method drive could be used in both car and bike classes, but the implementation of drive would differ in each case. Abstraction. Java allows you to abstract the complexity of your program by exposing only the necessary details and hiding the implementation details. This is often done using abstract classes and interfaces. Java Virtual Machine, JVM. The Java Virtual Machine, JVM, is an integral part of Java's platform independence. When you write a Java program, it's compiled into bytecode, which is a set of instructions that can be executed by the JVM. The JVM then translates this bytecode into machine code that can be executed on the specific operating system you're using. This means you can run the same Java program on different operating systems without needing to change the code. Java Runtime Environment, JRE, and Java Development Kit, JDK. To run Java programs, you need the Java Runtime Environment, JRE. The JRE contains the JVM and the libraries that your programs need to run. If you're developing Java programs, you'll also need the Java Development Kit, JDK, which includes the JRE as well as tools like the compiler, JavaAC, which translates your Java code into bytecode. Exception handling. Exception handling in Java allows you to manage errors and other exceptional events in a controlled way. Instead of crashing, a Java program can catch exceptions and decide how to respond. For example, if a program tries to divide by 0, Java will throw an arithmetic exception. You can catch this exception and handle it without stopping the entire program. Hash memory management. Java has automatic memory management through a process called garbage collection. This means that Java automatically allocates and deallocates memory, so you don't have to manually manage memory like in some other languages, e.g. C or C++. The garbage collector identifies objects that are no longer in use and removes them to free up memory. Multithreading. Java supports multithreading, which allows a program to perform multiple tasks simultaneously. Each thread runs independently, enabling more efficient use of resources and improving the performance of applications. For example, a Java application might have one thread handling user input, another managing background tasks, and another processing data. Real-life use cases. Java is used across a wide range of industries and applications. Here are some examples. Enterprise applications. Java is widely used to build large-scale enterprise applications. For example, many banking and financial services companies use Java for their back-end systems because of its reliability, scalability, and security features. Android development. Java was the original programming language used to build Android applications. Even though Kotlin is now the preferred language, a large number of Android apps are still developed in Java. Web applications. Java is used to build dynamic, interactive web applications. Technologies like Spring and Java Server Pages JSP allow developers to create robust server-side applications. Big data. Java plays a significant role in big data technologies. For example, Apache Hadoop, a popular framework for processing large data sets, is written in Java. Scientific applications. Java is also used in scientific applications, including natural language processing, data analysis, and simulation. Its portability and large library ecosystem make it suitable for these types of applications. Conclusion. Java remains one of the most popular programming languages in the world because of its versatility, robustness, and platform independence. Its object-oriented nature, combined with features like automatic memory management, exception handling, and multithreading, makes it an excellent choice for developing a wide range of applications, from simple mobile apps to complex enterprise systems.